Hello everyone, in this video I am creating this sultry look. So I have already moisturized my face. I am using an orange color corrector by MAC. If your dark circles are not so prominent, you can use peach color corrector. I am also using the corrector around my mouth. Next I am using a concealer that is my shade over the corrector that I used. It is to make sure there are no orange patches after the makeup is done. Next I am applying some loose powder over the concealer. Next I am going in with the foundation. Always shake your foundation bottle before you use it. I'm using a beauty blender to blend the foundation. You can use brush or whatever you are comfortable with. Next I'm going in with the highlighter. For this I'm using a concealer that is 2 shades lighter than my actual shade. I'm taking the concealer over my lids so that it can become an eyeshadow base. Next I'm setting the base with some loose powder. To contour my face I'm using a powder contour. Contouring the face is important to add some dimension to your face after the foundation is done. Next I'm applying blush. Instead of rubbing the brush on the face, I'm dabbing the brush this way. Little bit of blush on the nose will give you a flushed look. Next I'm applying highlighter. To fill in my eyebrows, I'm brushing them downwards with a spoolie. I'm using an ash grey colored eyebrow pencil. Once I'm happy with the shape, I'm brushing them upwards and filling in the sparse areas. Next I'm applying eyeshadow primer. To start with, I'm using this shade. I'm blending the shade with the help of a fluffy brush. Next I'm using this shade. I'm going to be blending this shade on the outer third of my eye. Next I'm going in with this light pink shade. I'm using a flat brush to apply the shade. I'm blending the edges of the purple shade that I previously used. Next I'm using a gel liner. I'm not being very precise with the liner as I'm going to smudge it. I'm smudging the liner with the help of a Q-tip. You can use a brush. I'm using the same purple shade that I used previously on my lower lash line. Next I'm using this black eyeshadow. I'm blending the shade with an angular brush. I'm not taking the shade all the way to the inner corner. Next I'm smudging the kohl on my waterline as well as tightening my eyes. Next I'm using this pigment by MAC. For lipstick I'm lining my lips with a lip liner. I'm using a liquid lipstick. False lashes and mascara I'm going to be doing off camera. So that's it, that's the final look. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Do let me know how you like this look in the comment box below. Thank you so much for watching.